God is the one who created this body, and guess
What upon your body? No matter how much time you wash it, it still smell.
Yeah, but
When politicians start make your stuff to keep them alive.
welcome to the countdown. Welcome to the countdown. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it, and I have to say happy belated Valentine's Day to all the lovers out there, and for the single people them, go and hold the faith because Corona's still about, so you don't need no more crosses in your life. Alright, let's get into the countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them salt me out what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Valentine's plea, my word, my sentence. So, oh my god, so let me just first off say, big up to all the persons who are watching the premiere, and this video is going to, it'll run a little quick because me I try to do it when I see the video at the same day when I actually shoot and edit it. So, quick and fast settings, okay? But anyway, so after going to talk about this video now with this brother now, I can't remember his name right now, but you can comment down below and let me know his name. But alright, so this brother said that, you know, Andrew, let's move the curfew from 10 p.m. to 8 p.m. But him decides that him don't want to take it a step further. Take a look.
I must up for people, bro God. I want to could put on early curfew by 1 o'clock for Valentine's Days. Because I'm alone as a man want to put on Valentine's Days early by 1 o'clock. We not the money and most of we not a woman. If you carry the woman then go out for Valentine's Days and treat them. I ask you, please, bro God, put on a early curfew. I don't know if you could put it on either with a 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Just put on a time. Because most of you are me alone. Most other man want to put on curfew by Valentine's Days. I really love that too. Yes, I'm not really love that. Because I'm not a woman for sit down with Valentine's Days and give them money and buy them a ice cream and a cake. Yes, and a sweetie.
People, me just want to say, oh my god, burritos, what do you think about this and what did you actually do on Valentine's Day? Sound off below. Number 9, DevinDiDakta message. Me go steal peas. Magnum King winner, DevinDiDakta now recently posted a video now that addressed, it was basically a social commentary video to talk about the state of Jamaica and all of the little hypocrisy and stuff we are going.
You want to ban gun songs from Jamaica, well fine. But ban it cause you want to help the genre. No blame me for crime. What you feel like the lady were blind. Only want me to refresh on the mind. Bring on the back in the time. Okay, let's start from 1989 or 1980. No, let's start from 1965 when politicians start make your rest of it keep them alive. In a bullet them up with people that dive. Yeah.
Yeah man people, yeah man, yeah. Boy, they get nominated for Reggae Grammy and all of these things, and you know, with lyrics like this, you definitely know so DevinDiDakta have a space in the genre. I'm just hope him just kind of keep up the momentum and drop more hits after hits. Alright, so now what do you think of this freestyle?
If somebody ever tries to rob you, tell that person to stop. It is not nice and they do not have your consent to take your things. If they proceed to try and take your things, slap them on the wrist and say stop it. If they try to stab you or maybe shoot you, I don't know what the weapon of choice will be. Let them know that it is illegal and it is against the law. Then you're going to give them what you have and run for your life.
Number 8, Rocky Picks. My word, my sentence. Alright, so you know about the little the plane land with the coke, you know, the whole of the little strips there that happened recently with this mysterious plane that is just, you know, sitting in Rocky Point, Clarendon. Okay, so many people have gone there to, you know, use it as a cultural site. It's like a cultural heritage site. This is now a place for photo shoots. We saw Skilly Ben going there to shoot his music video for Coke, and now you have other people going there to just use it as, you know, pictures for the gram. Like the one here. Oh wow. And then now your milk, teachers pet milk found their way there into the plane right into the little pilot. Oh, milk. You know, the only thing that actually hurt me is that me did actually want to go there and take a picture in the plane, but I just want anybody who come from Rocky Point can make me know if the plane still dead here, and can set up a little link where, you know, can just like contact you and you just kind of direct me to the little part so I can take my picture for the gram too. Okay. Alright, so my readers want to tell me this. Would you, if you live close by, run over there, go take your own picture too? Sound off below. Number 7, too crazy artistry. Me water buckle. Alright, so social media person. Me even if it's a personality, like Kevin too crazy at another level. Me can't give him social media personality. Like I'm gonna say, like local social media king. Alright, Kevin too crazy once again proved that he is a cut above the rest when he did this very hilarious take on how the artists would have really stepped to the thing if they weren't able to really use the regular violent dancehall lyrics. Take a listen.
Come on, come boy, with the fat black.
Yo! Remember I said bro God say the whole gun thing in the brother. We are trying to do something different here, so alright, ready up.
Alright. What's your style?
Tell them it's a feel like chat. Run out palm boy with me pop shot. Apple blossom load up, that slap hot. If I don't have it load up with potato. Skin red up like ripe tomato. See, they know they make the thing get drastic. Me have to draw from a paper and elastic.
You mean elastic?
No, me mean elastic. Recycle me shot them like a plastic. When me step out, you know me not leaving it. Elastic, me make out a sweetie tip. Talk to me if I war on one. Rain all day, so if follow with strap. 2, somebody get graze. 2, them a zing past ears. 2, that a bounce off a skull. Wait till me get a brand new catapult. Slingshot a spin in a circle like wheel. Rank here's a big deal or no deal. Grass play shot in a mouth cause you love chat. When you a run, go water balloon in and blood. Me say I want that on your shirt. Boy now look alright, watch how me work. Yo, me say dad, I want that on your shirt. Boy look down, flux, nose left a dirt.
No, honestly, you know, I'm always mats out and I wonder, like, what would Jamaica's news be without, like, the crime and violence? Let's just say we just get peaceful. What would Archibald and General Precious, what they would talk about? What would they talk about?
Same in our Winford, because as comedians, we depend on the energy from the audience for our performances.
Yes.
So, you know, when you're performing to dead ear,
Oh my.
you know, every woman know what it is like to perform for something dead, you know. So when you're performing for something dead, you know, Oliver, I'm not talking to you.
Okay,
We're not hearing any laugh.
Number 6, Chronic Law, Shades. Me peppermint. Alright, so I know Chronic Law, the brother was saying, what the song name? Rather dip on a hillside, down out touching, down out to turn to. Alright, I remember the rest right now, but the song bad. Okay, alright, so anyway, so recently he posted a picture on his Instagram and somebody did forgot to say something that he did not like. Let me give you the situation. Alright, so Chronic Law, he posted this picture with the caption, me nor me bank book now plan for lose weight. Annoyed face, hashtag we good. And I guess him might probably just said this now because him see what going with TJ and people probably are step to him now and put all kind of pressure. I say, well, TJ do it now, Bling Dagga do it, DeMarco, you know, people are do it, why you do not do it? So then this commenter now decide for take up on himself now for leave a little 2 cents. So Chin 2619 say, lose some weight man nigga. To which Chronicler clapped back and said, Chin 2619, for please, all me see on your profile is bad color tongue and an unknown front. Lose some doubt and post your face. Oh my God. No man, one thing with them dancehall artists here, no man, no matter how them rough and tough out the road, you know, when it come on to that little real housewives of Atlanta type of clapback, them have it, you know, man. But anyway, my readers, let me know what you have to say about Chronicler's clapback. Are you in agreement with this stance or no? Sound off below. Number 5, Shenseea, the beatboxer. Me rubbish fan. Alright, so I want to know, say, I love showing videos with Shenseea and her son, Rajera. So it looks like so recently Rajera has now developed a very strong love for the art of beatboxing. You know, they look, you know, they look something, yeah, they look something there. And now he is trying to kind of pass it on so that his mother can cultivate some of the technique. Pray.
You have to do like, say but. Okay, no, wait now.
You need to give me some chance. You're not teaching me
so you
good.
have to say but. Say but.
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 But. But. But.
It's amazing.
It's amazing?
Yeah. Good try. What one more beat?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Burritos, let me know if you think that Shenseea has gotten the knack of it, or you think that she still needs some more work. But I cannot deal with how committed Roger is to this beatboxing. Boy, oh boy. Number 4, Valentine's TikTok myth. Cheap chocolate and rose we sell at the gate at the school. Yeah, I really need to focus on the one here. So become a rush to count down burritos. Please give me a little blind. But anywho, so this video comes from HotTube, and it is with him talking about reasons why him kind of single for the Valentine's Day where him just kind of build to himself. 3.
These are the reasons why I'm single for 2021 Valentine's. I feel like Valentine's back then was better than now. You see? Look on it. I could have buy one of them a few $150. Chew one of them 250 teddy bear. I'm going to have 2 patty down a juicy beef. You see? But now, a different pre-car here have to do nails of on fleek. If you buy a little cheap gold again, me have to buy a real one. After all them money they spend up down, Mr. Mama, go and have 2 pieces of chicken at Kentucky. No, Mama want to Nirvana and steakhouse and them place there. Alright, Mama come go down and ribbies. Mama said no, sit down there so to come on. Says she want to feel like the only girl in the world. I want to say, ladies, God don't do no Valentine's. I can't go, I can't manage it.
Alright. More for your burritos. Are you in agreement with this? Are these some of the observations that you've made? And actually want to hear like, how much of the burritos them where I watch this right now single? I wonder if I have a little single and lonely following, or do I have a very happy and prosperous and, you know, people just are married and just enjoy them little married life? Like I actually want to know. Please leave a comment. Team single or team there with somebody or team or borrow somebody. I want to hear, honestly. Number 3, Marion teases me lingerie. Alright, so Marion Hall, aka, you know, formerly known as Lady Saw, she recently got social media buzzing yet again after she posted this very tasteful picture to her Instagram showing her, you know, like casually just sitting and, you know, checking out the breeze and enjoying a little sun and all of these things. But, you know, when you check her little middle-ish region, you can see that a little of the little, you know, coconuts were saying like, ta-da! And so many people were just like, hey, this don't look very churchy of you. This look like say you try to go back in the secular side. This look like say you want to just, open up like a aki. And Marion had to quickly shut down the naysayers / haters.
Okay, bless you, bless you. I just want to do this short video to address the comments that I heard, like some of you judging me because I have some cleavage. I can't help myself, baby girls. I can't help myself, baby boys. God is the one who created this body, and guess what? I can't do anything about what God blessed me with. If God blessed me with some boobs, then I got some boobs. Sometimes I'm preaching, they fall, they jump out. Can I stop that? No, because God has enhanced me naturally, right? I can't be covered every day. I'm in Miami, it's hot in Miami here. I can't be covered every day in these hot, like you won't see me on the road in the big hats that you see me preaching in, and the long dresses. If I dress like that, you say I look old. If I dress, I wear shorts and I wear shirts, like skirts. And I mean skirts, yeah? Not way up, but I wear skirt. I got tattoos, yeah? I got a few of them. So what can I do? I can't please you, baby. It's not my problem if you don't have some boobs in it, how you want to wear them, if you want to cover them, show them. God cares for what is behind the heart. The left heart right here, the left breast, I mean, sorry, Lord Jesus. Getting all confused with you and your problems. So my heart is right here on the left. And God cares about what's behind there, not my boobs, yeah? So if that's all you see, I guess they look good, right? I'm still a Christian, and I do talk, yeah? So don't get this twisted. I'm still Marion, not Lady Star. I'm an ordained minister, and on Sunday I'll dress appropriately. But when I'm out in the sun, I'm gonna take the sun, vitamin D. Cause I got what? I don't have double D's, I got vitamin D. I'm taking some. So have a blessed day. And you, if you know me by now, you would know that I don't care what you say about me. You have the keys to heaven, so you can't stop me if I'm going or not. Okay? So I can't help it. I was born and blessed. I'm so blessed, and I love my body. Whatever shape, when I put on some weight, it's all right. I'm good with that. So, can you see my heart? No, you can't, but God can. Have a wonderful day. I'm having lunch. Bye-bye.
Okay, so Marion, so what she have to say, I very much agree with her. Like, give the girl some breeze because I know say when she start out, you know, what happened when most people go into the church, like the first part of when them going to the church, them going there really strong. It's like they want to wear all of them skirts for cover up all them little toenail, like them can't have like a breathing space. Lucky if them show like a neck or like a earlobe. Everything get covered up. Them not even want ear, nothing name, nothing secular. So like right after the news done, them never want to say E-Prime. Everything cut right off. Them go all in. And then you give them like a time now, them just gonna realize, say, yo, me are a human being too. Jesus Christ, man, like one song might come on. Me can step 2 times to little Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Me can loosen up a little bit now. And it look like, say, Lady Saw is finally at that stage now where she just realize, say, yo, me don't need to adjust myself like one little older man. Because I still have life. It is okay for me to look attractive. Me don't need to look like somebody I walk around in a crocus bag. And so I commend Lady Saw for finally reaching at this point in time. Okay, show that you're whole and not cold. And so, me, you know, I agree with what she have to say, and people, the haters, them, leave her alone. Lady Saw is minding her business and staying very much unbothered. Zine? Number 2, dancehall lyrics gone wrong. My word, my sentence, my silverware. Alright, so I saw this video on TikTok now, and Twitter, well, Twitter I see it from, even though it got shared from TikTok. And it's with this girl, she's doing a video now, and I guess she's just like talking about some of, she's having a nostalgic moment, sharing that she misses the good Jamaican, Caribbean, dancehall, reggae parties them, and she began to sing some of her favorite songs, but it near but not really connect. Check it out.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I really want to go to a party so bad, but not just any party. Like I need one of them like straight reggae, you know, like one of them and a cinnamon bun, or like, you know, Batman fighting Robin, pull up, hey Robin, pull up, hey Robin, pull up, something like that, or like Slow Dum got that ice cream with the cherries. Like, come on now, the party was lit. Y'all didn't even lie to me.
No, I do not know who is our Jamaican friend that actually advises her on the lyrics them, but that person you can't tell them the band and grow Jamaica. That is like one little second down, that little line them not reach a shot gate yet. You know, them still not know how to say one stop, what we call it, one stop driver, them not know how to ball out serve the Jamaica, they very much water down. Like, you don't like when they try to dilute the little soda so you can feel like you can lose a little better weight? Yeah man, that is the type of Jamaican friend that the girl they have because the lyrics them, But I commend you, I salute you on your love for Jamaica and them song there because them a big song. So at least we can pick up where did I try sing.
Everybody and them dog nowadays. I'm a snack. Me a soup. Pea soup.
And number 1 goes to No Simone. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. The number 1 spot goes to No, or is it Moo Simone? Alright, so I saw this video now on Instagram now, and I guess this is all about this farmer that is basically showing off on him ex-woman who has missed out on his riches. The man is filthy rich right now, and he decides that he want to just braff in a Simone face. Boy, oh boy, take a look.
Just I make that video of Simone. Yes, Simone, you see what I go on. Remember last year? When we get the insurance money and me I say, yo, Simone, I buy a cow, you know, you say if I go take cow, go where I go. If I go take bus and me have so much money, I want to ask you. And I said, no, I call me thing there. And you say, no, and left. Well, looky here, Simone. Right now, I can buy 40 ask you. Excuse me, Mumu, go over some Muisha. Go on Mulan, go over there some Mufasa, go over there some Muru, go over there some Mufu. But you're a loser, Simone, look.
No, the part that kill me, I want him start for like list and name out the moons them. Him start for name out the cows, like Muisha, like Mumu, like all I know is wherever Simone is, she is punching here right now because yeah man, the man sit down for millions of dollars. And so it seems as if another social media user now keeping up with the fun. Somebody can't tell me for the same person. But did a video now, but this time it was with some different set of animals. Take a look.
You know, I think I want me to behave myself. Looky here, Simone. Do you remember Buck when you told me to sell the 1 ram because you know want a frownsy man? Every day I come in with my clothes rank and that you know I wash. Well, guess what? Now I'm rank with cash. The Rammy's way to riches. Say hello to Buckiana and the children. Hold on. Hold on. Let me step up in my voice. It's a bit windy, Simone. Okay, now they turn the camera on these new phones. Remember the days when they used to say, leave it on my phone. Every day I talk about your family, I can't even buy a phone. But guess what? I sold Buckalicious and bought me an iPhone Pro Max. And then I sold Buck them and bought a Pro Box. And I put a go-to in a seat road if you know that. You're a loser, Simone. Let me turn the camera on again. Simone, why did the goat cross the road? Because it's so many.
No, honestly, me give up. I absolutely give up. Burritos, let me know what you think about these videos right about now. Like, big up the farmers them where I watch this. And let me know, like, a Valentine's Day, well, Valentine's Day I don't know. But you know, the little season, little residue still left back. So, boy oh boy, have you ever moved on now and still want to braff and show off on your ex? And make your ex know say, yo, yeah, live better than them and that and them no more than you? Let me know in the comments right here, so. Okay, well that is it for this social media countdown. Thank you so much, as usual, for watching and supporting. Please make sure say, wanna like, wanna also turn on the post notification. Please to leave a comment down below. And do not forget to subscribe. For the people that might keep on and watch the video and not subscribing, please to subscribe. Okay, also to, you know, follow me on my social media. It is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. As well as to, if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright, and yeah, before we go, I have the new channel. It is called Duttyberry Uncut. That's my vlog channel. So please to make sure, say, uno go over there and to subscribe. Alright, because una miss out on the good content them there. So, okay, take care until next time. Bye-bye.
The dirty, yeah, the berry, yeah, the juicy, yeah, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, him cover all the topics like a him name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, yeah, what happened at the week, yo, just tune in, zine.